Hello, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the important Forex currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending few stocks for 2nd March 2021, Tuesday only. So this video is for 2nd March only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So let's jump into the chart. And you can see that the first stock for the day is Mastercard. Okay, so the last traded price of Mastercard was 362.9. Yesterday it closed at 362.9. We can see on the screen that it tried to go up and it tried to cross the daily resistance, which is at 366.5. Okay, but it failed to do so, and ultimately it had to close below the daily resistance. Okay, so what should be a strategy today? Okay, for today you should look for two levels. Okay, if you find that the stock, if it opens gap up, or if the stock somehow crosses the daily resistance available 366 level, then let the stock stay above the daily resistance. Okay, let the stock trade for a while, at least for 30 minutes above this level. Let the resistance become the support. Okay, then only go for buy order above this. I'll say above at least 368 or 369. Okay, it should cross this level. Okay, this level of 368.5. Let the stock stay above the daily resistance, and then buy above 368.5. Otherwise, no. And if you today see that the stock has opened below the 366 level, and if it reverses from 366 level, okay, then also you can short the market for 1%. Okay, but best position to short the market will be below this candle. Okay, below 358 level. In case you spot some good selling pressure, okay, then you can short the market below 358 level. Okay, and your best position to buy will be above 368.5 level. Let's jump to the next stock, and the next topic stock is Microsoft. Somehow the chart is not opening up. I don't know what's wrong. Actually, I do not get time to edit my videos also. For that, I'm extremely sorry. Okay. Anyways, we can see that yesterday Microsoft gave a closure at 236.94, and you can see that beautifully it has closed above the daily support level. Okay, this was a very decisive level, and it has closed beautifully. Beautiful price rejection from below and close at 236.4. So the call is simple here. If you get the stock above 237.5 level, go for a buy. If you see that the stock is trading beautifully, okay, if you see a good buying pressure and the stock is trading above 237.7 level, okay, then go for buy. The next stock is INTC Intel Corp. For Intel Corp, you can see that the last traded price is 62.88, and it almost closed at the daily resistance. Okay, it tried to cross. There is a small wick here, which signifies that yesterday it tried to cross, but it failed to do so. Okay, so if you get the stock above 63 level today, it's a buy call. But if the stock opens above 63 level, then or which means that if it gives a gap up opening, then let the stock trade for at least 30 minutes. Okay, let the resistance become the support, then go for a buy call above 63. So the next stock is avgo.com. Broadcom, you can see that yesterday it has made the big green candle with some good price rejection from below, which signifies that bulls are dominating. Okay, or bulls dominated yesterday, and you can see that beautifully it has closed above the daily resistance. Okay, So right now the LTP is, or the last traded price is 489.58. So if there is a gap up opening and if the stock successfully or beautifully or comfortably trades above the 489 level, okay, with some good buying pressure, okay, then buy. Okay, just keep your stop loss below this level only. Okay, otherwise it's a beautiful buy above this level, but it should be support, it should get the support, or it should be supported by the volume, good volume from the buyers. Okay, then only go for buy order. Otherwise you can just look at the candle and how beautifully it has closed above the daily resistance level. Okay, so these are the stocks that you can make money on 2nd March 2021 Tuesday. So this is it. Thank you so much. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And because I always try to bring videos just before the market opens so that you get to stay ahead of the market, I bring videos 5 days a week from Monday to Friday. Okay, my regular analysis. Thank you so much. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.